Hi there, welcome to Jiva Yoga Live. My name is Jane, and today we're going to take a look at Gomukhasana, cow face pose. Today's pose features cow face pose, Gomukhasana. It's a very complex, intermediate to advanced level asana from the seated hip opening family. It has a strong shoulder opening component as well. It stretches the ankles, hips, thighs, shoulders, chest, and triceps, and strengthens the sides of the waist as well as the upper back. It also benefits imbalance, relieves sciatica, and assists in helping to promote breath. Hi there, welcome. Today we're going to take a look at Gomukhasana, cow face pose. This is one of my favorite poses. When I first started yoga, this was really my nemesis, but over the years I've come to really love it. So let's go ahead and take a look. So you're going to start from a seated position facing the camera. Take one knee and stack it on top of the other, so the knees are stacked. So one knee stacks literally right on top of the other, so the knees point straight ahead. Yep. And if possible, come onto the outer edge of the foot. So the knees actually stack, and this foot comes back in space. So she has a little bit of boundness in her hips, not a problem, super common. So I'm going to give her a blanket to slide underneath her right sit bone so that she actually feels grounded. So I just put the knife edge of the blanket underneath the sit bones. Okay. Please take your left arm out to the left side of the room, palm facing up, shoulder height. So she's in external rotation at the shoulder. I'm going to ask her to take her left arm straight up to the sky and then bend her elbow. The right arm goes to the right side of the room, shoulder height, palm faces down. And then I'm going to ask her to take her right hand down, bend the elbow, and reach up the back. Okay, so I'm going to grab my strap. A strap is a great choice. You can improvise, so a towel will do, anything will do, it doesn't matter. Just find some way that you can find that bind. So she's spinning her left bicep towards the back of the room, rolling the left outer tricep towards the front of the room. Sorry, I just pulled her hair by accident. She's internally rotating her right shoulder here, but the chest is broad same way. So when you internally rotate the shoulder, once you get the bind, external rotation happens, so you reopen up the chest. Inhale, lift and lengthen your front spine, and then exhale, simply be with. So the inhale is it's like a dilation, like a heartbeat. So the inhale expands the pose any amounts. The exhale, you settle back into the shape. One more time like that. Inhale, lively up the shape by rooting down to lift up. And as you exhale, very gently release the shape, release your arms, release your legs. As you can imagine, this shape is wonderfully opening for the bookends of the spine, the hips and the shoulders. It's also very lively for the spine. It's also a posture that you feel a tremendous amount of relief once you get out of the shape, which can be very soothing for the nervous system and also help to fight fatigue. We hope you've enjoyed. Have a wonderful day. Namaste. Would you like to dive deeper into today's sequence? Click the link in the description to help get tips on how to deepen your practice. Thank you so much. Namaste.